Beginning in the summer of 1990, with Edith McDonald at the helm, the first Akwesasne Health and Wellness Day began, a small gathering of tables at the Head Start building, offering parents information on things like sun and water safety and immunizations. In 2020, the event has expanded to a month-long celebration with a wide variety of activities. Assistant Director of SRMT Health Services, Kim McElwain, talks about the humble beginnings of Akwesasne Health and Wellness and its growth over the last 3 decades.
My Aunt Edith had actually started it, and when she was working with the outreach department, and they started with a small grant that they had applied for like $1,500. And then they just kind of continued it over the years, different locations, expanded it, got more programs involved. It's when it really kind of became different activities, not just informational tables. So they had bed races, canoe races, more activities for the family to enjoy, along with all of those information tables too.
Due to the pandemic, some activities needed to be revamped in order to satisfy safety guidelines. Newcomer Jessica Ayotte, SRMT Program Manager for Health Promotion and Planning, talked about thinking outside the box with new virtual activities.
I've definitely had some challenges, especially with COVID, but I've had a lot of support from administration. We have Wellness Wednesdays, so we partnered with some local businesses to provide virtual workshops. And then we also have different themes going on. We're doing a Water is Life challenge. So we're asking those who participate to take a selfie near a pool, a river, and a waterfall. We knew we had to come forward and do something. We just had to really figure out, okay, how can we safely provide activities for the community?
One of the highlights of Wellness Week is the Akwesasne Farmers Market, which premiered in 2019. Deemed an essential service because fresh produce is sold, the farmers market has expanded to 2 days a week with safety precautions in place.
So we are so excited to have the farmers market back this year, and we are offering it 2 days a week. So every Thursday, 11 to 2, and Saturdays, 10 to 2. Because of COVID-19, we definitely have implemented extra safety measures. So for instance, always wearing masks, both members, community members and vendors. We're asking that community members, when shopping, they don't touch anything, and that instead they let the vendor handle it. We have hand sanitizer available at each vendor table, and we are asking if families, if possible, limit the number of shoppers just to keep, the numbers down and for there to be implementing social distancing.
There is a sense that Wellness Week is a time for creativity and a time to celebrate the community in a healthy way. And in doing so, maybe Akwesasne has set the standard for other towns in the area.
If you listen to outside communities, we're the ones setting the bar for activities and communities. I think we do amazing when we get everybody together and get things organized, and then they see what we're doing, and it's like, oh, that's a really great idea. Let's see if our town can do that.
For Akwesasne TV, I'm Louis Jacobs.